Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we are talking about lower body strength. If you only did one lower body move for life, it's the squat. Why? Because we all need to get out of a chair, off the floor, up from the garden, things like that. Start with just your own body weight. Next, grab a kettlebell, or if you're in Vermont, grab a rock from your yard and hold it in front for a goblet squat. Keep your chest proud, your knees tracking, your heels down. Squats build hips, knees, and spine resilience. Try adding 10 squats when you get up in the morning or before you sit down to dinner. Daily practice makes squatting second nature, which is essential for staying mobile at every age. To build on this, try variations. Sumo squats with wide stance for inner thigh strength, or split squats with one leg back for balance and stability. As you get stronger, add load gradually. And if you are in the garden, practice squatting instead of bending over. If you heat with wood, squat to pick up each log. These daily habits train you for life's demands while building strength that lasts.